It looks like you lost another one.
I be popping up every day, gotta hustle for the future, yes, find my way. I be going on 8, tryna mind my space. I be popping up every day, gotta hustle for the future, yes, find my way. I be going on 8, tryna mind my space. Listen to the rhymes that I put on my page. Think I wanna flex, I just wanna get paid. I guess you can relate to the things I say. 1, 2, 3, then I'm on that stage. Money my business cause I feel so great. Shut the fuck up or you might get slayed, dawg. I spin my mind like a chainsaw. Pussy tight so I hit it raw. Put that thigh on a pedestal. Them rap gods so untouchable. Man, I make them all so gullible. I don't give a fuck when I'm mad at you. Yeah, cause I'm black and blue. It's a sad truth, but you know now. No tattoos, it's a gold mine. Don't get confused to the old vibe. Rap tatted on my back spine. I'ma rap till I get a Tech 9. And this flow's really on a rough ride. No jokes, nigga need a tough time. Niggas need a tough time. No cap, really in the gear. We'll top every single tear. Listen with your ears, long as you can hear. We don't shed tears, we're a souvenir. Ain't no poppin' pills. Do what you wish, nigga. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn, nigga.
Easy thing, just vibing. Can't bother my timing. Innovation, I'm styling. Black label be calling. Them not look calling. Can't figure my kind. Don't speak on my shine. Tryna dim me to lying. Tryna go to Cape Town. Young nigga tryna fly away. Bang a blind the lands away. Really tryna go my way. Different lingo, I'm himlo. They can't cover my halo. Hindsight, I'm Indo. What you know about Lenzo? I'm adjusting my tempo. Different one, another rainbow. What you know about pain though? Have you ever been scapegoat? Bingo, yeah, they know. I'm not counting my days, bro. Making use of my days, yo. What the fuck in my face, bro? This is just the face, so what you know about joy though? Have you ever had hope, bro? You ain't never been in stove, Joe. Moonwalking on slow-mo. In my cheeky choco. Empty house nigga joke, oh. Had to leave at home, bro. I'm homegrown, I'm hungry, so I'm coming so punchy. Hallelujah, same bangi. Wanna come and cup the munchie.